Mathuri Venkata Subbarao, or MVSR Engineering College, located in Hyderabad, Telangana, has received an overall rating of 4 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the BE courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with the placements rated 3.8 out of 5 stars. According to NIRF 2024, 898 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 465 students secured placements, reflecting an increase in the placement rate compared to the previous year, while 97 students opted for higher studies. Students report that recruiters such as Accenture, LTI, Mindtree, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, Crompton, and Bajaj Electrical Limited actively recruited from the institute. Top roles offered include software developer, web developer, UX designer, IT project manager, and information security analyst. The median package offered was 4 lakh per annum in 2023 compared to Gokaraju Ranga Raju Institute of Engineering and Technology. MVSR Engineering College lags behind in terms of the offered median packages to its BTech graduates. Regarding internships, students mentioned that while some secured opportunities through the college, others got off-campus internships with top companies such as Goldman Sachs and Microsoft. Moving on now to the academics, where MVSR Engineering College offers a 4-star rated BE program with 10 specializations, including data science and AI/ML. Admissions are based on TS, EAM, CET scores, and a quick look at the 2024 cutoffs reveal intense competition in AI/ML for boys and in CSE for girls compared to other specializations. As for the cost, total course fees for the 4-year duration ranges from 5.34 lakh to 5.46 lakh depending on the chosen specialization. Scholarships for meritorious reserved category and economically disadvantaged students are available. Moving on now to the 4-star rated infrastructure. Spanning 18 acres in Nedargul village, the college is situated about 16 kilometers from Hyderabad city centre. The campus features smart classrooms, well-equipped laboratories, including specialized ones like the automotive chassis and components lab and the digital signaling processing lab, as well as a central comprehensive library, all supported by campus-wide Wi-Fi. Hostel accommodations are available for both boys and girls on single, double or triple sharing basis, with a girls' hostel becoming operational in August of 2023. The college also offers sports facilities for basketball, cricket, football and table tennis, alongside a fitness and yoga center. Turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.1 stars. Students commend the qualified faculty, many of whom hold PhDs, and highlight the college's collaboration with city-based company that is Suntech, which provides weekly training, particularly for software engineering and soft skill development. The college also has industry partnerships with Cisco, Wipro, Salesforce, and Oracle for training and certification programs. Additionally, MOUs with AI, MER, XLR, and One Automax for student and faculty development programs further enhance the overall academic experience. Moving on now to the 4.2 rated campus life. Student clubs focus on technical, cultural and sports activities, organize events throughout the year, including regular seminars, workshops, industrial visits and expert lectures. Major highlights include the Tech Fest Samavarthan, the Cultural Fest at the Sangamam and the Sports Fest at Lima. Lastly, MVSR Engineering College Hyderabad is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 engineering category. For more details on MVSR Engineering College and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.